Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at the solar outdoor wall barn lights. As you can see, this one comes in a 2-pack and it's got the solar panel right on top. Here it's got a motion sensor, so you can go ahead and make sure this only turns on when there's people around. There's what it looks like when it's turned on. You got the power button right here. And you've got 3 different modes. You can do it dim, medium, or higher. Of course, it will last a longer charge if you just do the dim mode. And the dim mode, as you can tell, is already very bright, so I highly recommend you just use that one. You've got all the mounting materials included right here. You've got 2 hooks and then 2 screws to go ahead and attach this thing to the wall. And then all I had to do is just attach this piece here onto this using 2 more included screws just so this whole thing fit in the box. And then I screwed on this bulb here. It's kind of a plastic bulb, so no need to worry about that breaking at all. And it looks like here is where the battery is stored in case you want to replace this rechargeable battery later on. But overall, these things look very elegant, definitely spice up your wall, and I highly recommend them. Thanks for watching.